How to add all customer data to a database on Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Create a dedicated board for customer data. Click on the plus button, select New Board, and name it something like Customer Database or Client Records. 2. Add necessary columns to organize customer details. Include fields like name, email, phone number, company, order history, and notes for better tracking. 3. Use forms to collect data directly from customers. In Monday.com, create a form view, customize it with required fields, and share the link with clients to gather information. 4. Automate data entry by integrating with CRM tools. Connect Monday.com with platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zapier to sync customer records in real time. 5. Assign team members to manage customer data. Use the Owner column to ensure that each client has a designated representative for follow-ups. 6. Filter and sort customer data for easy access. Apply filters to find specific customers based on purchase history, location, or assigned team member. 7. Export or share customer data when needed. Click on the 3-dot menu, select Export to Excel, or share the board with stakeholders for seamless collaboration.